Today's topic is collisions. In this question, mass m, kinetic energy k, momentum p collides head-on elastically with another particle of mass 2m at rest. Now you have to calculate this momentum of first particle, momentum of second particle, kinetic energy of first particle, kinetic energy of second particle. Now we will discuss one by one. First, momentum of first particle. Momentum of first particle is P. P is equals to m1 v1. Now we are writing v1 as m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1. What is m1? M. What is m2? 2m. m1 plus minus 2m by m plus 2m into u1. This m1 u1 is equals to p. So p minus m by 3m. m cancel. Kinetic energy of the first particle p1 is equals to minus p by 3. Next, momentum of the first particle p1 is equal to minus p by 3. Now second one, momentum of the second particle, that is p2 is equals to m2 v2. What is v2? 2 m1 by m1 plus m2 of u1. Here we are writing m1 2 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1. m1 u1 is p. p 2, what is m2? 2m. So substituting m1 and m2 values, 2 into 2, 4m by 3m. Cancel. So momentum of the second particle is equals to 4p by 3, or we can written as 1.33 into p. Now kinetic energy of the first particle. Kinetic energy of the first particle is Ke1 is equals to half m v1 square, that is equals to half, this can be written as p square by 2m. What is p1? Minus p by 3 whole square by 2m. p square by 9 2m. This p square by 2m can be written as k. So kinetic energy of the first particle is equals to k by 9. Now kinetic energy of the second particle is equals to p2 square by 2m. What is p2? 4p by 3 whole square by 2m, that is equal to 16p square by 9 2m. 16p square by, here 9 square 8, 9 2s are 18 into 2m. This p square by 2m is written as p. K. So 16 by 18. So here 2 8s, 2 9s, that is 8K by 9. This is kinetic energy of the second particle, 8K by 9. Now first see this one. Momentum of the first particle is, what is momentum of the first particle? Minus P by 3. So third option is the correct. Momentum of the second particle is 4P by 3, or we can write 4P by 3 1.33, and kinetic energy of the first particle is K by 9. Kinetic energy of second particle is 8K by 9. Next question. In this question, a body of mass 6 kg traveling of 10 meter per second collides elastically with a body of mass 4 kg traveling at a speed of 5 meter per second in opposite direction and comes to rest. What you have to find out? Velocity of second body. Now given what is m1? 6 kg. What is u1? 10 meters per second. And next, what is m2? 4 kilogram. What is u2? 5 meter per second, but it is in opposite direction. So should write minus 5. Okay. And next, v1 is 0. Why? Because it comes to rest. Then what you have to calculate? v2. According to law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Substituting all these values in this equation, what is m1? 6. What is u1? 10. 6 into 10 plus m2 4 into minus 5 is equals to m1 6, v1 is 0 plus m2 4. What is v2? You have to calculate. 6 times 60 minus 20 is equals to 6 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4v2, 4v2. 60 minus 20, how much? 40. So, 40 is equals to 4v2. So, v2 is equals to 40 by 4. 4 ones, 4 tens. So, v2 is equals to 10 meters per second.